Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Sequelize. Today we are going to learn about the advanced eager loading node with Sequelize. Advanced eager loading in Sequelize allows you to load related data with more complex queries. So here one thing added, that is data with more complex queries involving multiple models, associations. This is useful when you need to fetch the data from multiple associated tables while maintaining control over the retrieved data. So basically you are trying to fetch multiple records from the multiple tables or association or the models. So here you can see we have the students, we have the codes, we have the teacher, right? Three models. Okay, so we have create the associations like belongs to many and belongs to. Okay, after doing this, when we retrieve the data for the students, so here you can see we have include the model course and include model teacher, and the attributes specify which teacher attributes you want to include, that is name. So here you can see that this is a complex query. Okay, so here we have including the include first the model course, then include again nested with the model teacher also. Okay, and then we are retrieving the data. Advanced eager loading can become more complex when dealing with the deeply nested associations or the complex queries. Sequelize provides the flexibility to customize your eager loading queries to match your specific use cases and retrieve the required data efficiently. So this is how the advanced eager loading works with the more complex queries basically. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.